Alrighty, hey y'all, it's me again with my favorite. Oh, sorry, Mama, I just went through your nose. Oh, wait, I'm trying to erase you. Sorry, Mama. Oh, goodness gracious, she gets her own heart. Alrighty, we are going back to the same packet that we were just working on, but we're gonna go to the back of page 1, and we're gonna go to number 13. So what we're going to do now is we're going to combine a discount and sales tax. So we're going to combine discount and sales tax, which is a little tricky. So I needed to do a separate video for this because really the only reason was because I ran out of time. That's just the true reason. So here's the deal. What we're going to do is I'm going to read number 13, and I need you to listen. So, Katie bought a $76 dress at 33% off. Okay? So, So, 33%. That does not work at all, does it? Sorry. 33%. Okay, off. Does that mean it? So that's going to go down. Okay, I got to figure that out. And then $52 pair of shoes at 15% off. Gosh, that's a lot. 15%. We have 15% off as well. And then last, we have a sales tax of $6.75. $6.75% sales tax. Gosh, I can't talk. I'm so sorry. Okay. This is a lot of confusion. So we have a lot to figure out right here, and we're going to go step by step by step. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out this $76 at 33% off. So we're going to do 33% of 76. You have to do the discount first. Always. We're going to do 0.33 times 76. And when we do that, we get 25.08. Now we know that's a discount, so my price is going to go down. So I'm going to do 76 minus 25.08. And when I do that, my pretty dress, or Katie's pretty dress, is going to be $50.92. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about some shoes. You know, Katie's got to be looking good. She's going to be walking in a cute dress and some cute shoes. Alrighty. The shoes are $52. 15% off. So I'm going to do 15% of 52. 0.15 times 52. And when I do that, I get $7.80. That is my discount. So I'm going to have to subtract it. Okay, so I'm going to do 52 minus 780. And when I do that, what do I get? I get 44.20. Okay, so her dress, it was really cute. It was $50.92. Her shoes, man, she better be going out somewhere nice. She's got an expensive outfit. $50.92, $44.20. I am going to add those up so that I know what my total is. So I'm going to do this plus this. And when I do that, what do I get? When I add those up, I get a total. I can't find my total. Oh, $95.12. So that is my total of the dress and the shoes. Except I've got a sales tax of 6.75%. Okay. Tax, you always do last. All right, think about it. When you're checking out everything always gets a little more expensive because you got to add the tax. So what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about the tax. 6.75% of my total, which was $95.12. Okay, I got to change this to a decimal. 0.0675 times 95.12. 0.0675 times 95.12. When I do that, I get 6.42. That is my tax. And now I'm going to add that to $95. When I do that, I get $101.54 as my total. Holy goodness gracious me, oh my. That's a lot of work. That kind of gave me a stomachache. Gosh. Maybe it's because I haven't eaten lunch. Whew. Alrighty. So here's the deal. You're always going to take the discount or tax. You're going to take the discount first. You're going to take the discount. Oh, you can't really see that first. And then tax second. So the discount always comes first. All right. Number 14, we're going to have you do on your own. It says for parties. Oh, no. Yeah, well, I'll do it. So for parties of 6 or more, a restaurant adds 20% gratuity. Do you know what gratuity means? That's a tip. That's a tip, which makes the cost go up. If a dinner bill for a large party comes to $148.25, find the total with tip. So you're going to do 20% of 100. Is that what it is? 148.25. Okay, I want you guys to do this on your own. I want you guys to do this on your own, and then raise your hand and get it checked. So press pause. Press pause and do it on your own. Okay, you got to tell us the answer. What is the answer? Alrighty. Number 15. Oh, whoops. Greg and Elena. Greg and Elena, they went out. Oh, I bet y'all read about that in Snapchat. See that? I saw Greg and Elena. And Elena had just borrowed Kat's new dress and shoes. You know, the one that we bought up there. Okay. The bill came to $68.89. Okay, they had a $10 coupon. And they left a 15% tip. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going to do the coupon first. $68.89. A $10 coupon. If y'all don't know what a coupon is, y'all have not been hanging out in the real world. $10 off. You're going to take that off first. And you get $58.89. Okay? I know about coupons. Like, I love a good coupon. All right, so you do the discount, which is the coupon. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do the tip, because that's at the end. So you're going to do 15% of $58.89. We're going to do $58.89. 0.15 times $58.89. I should have written a time, sorry. Because of means multiplication. And when you do that, you get $8.83. So that is a tip. Does that make something more expensive or less expensive? More expensive. So you're going to take the bill, $58.89, and you're going to add $8.83. When you do that, you get a grand total of $67.72. Okay, $67.72. I lost something on my screen. Alrighty, I didn't get to say goodbye in the other video because I was all hurried. Alright, love y'all. See y'all. Bye.